So hello everyone, this is Fatimah. Today we're going to start new lesson. Today's lesson 31, and we're gonna start today's lesson now. Okay, let's get started. So the first section we're gonna do is place value. We have to write like which place the underlined number is. So there's only like I think four of the numbers, so I'll just write the number here like this. If it's like this number, then the first number, this is the ones, and second number, this is the tens place. Third number is 100. Fourth number is 1000. Thousands. So let's do number one. You can see this is in the second place, so the second place is tens. So this is the tens place. And let's try a different one. Let's try number three. This on the third, there's three numbers, right? And this underline is on the first number of the three numbers. So this is gonna be 100. Hundreds. Let's try number 11. There's four numbers, and on the first one, it's underlined. So this is thousands place. Let's try last one for number 12. There's four number, but the underlined one is on the last one. So this is the ones place. We learned four different place value today. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, now let's do this. We have to write the number is even or odd. Last time I told you that if you can divide the number by 2 and get the whole number, then it's gonna be even. And if you divide by 2 and if you get like a decimal or not a whole number, it's gonna be odd number. So let's try the question for number 1. You can divide by 2, right? If you divide by 2, you get 5, and this is the whole number. So number 1 gonna be even. And let's try other questions too. Let's try number 5. It's 33. If you divide by 2, it's not gonna be a whole number because this is the odd number. If you divide by 2, it's gonna be 16.5. So it's decimal. Or if it's hard for some of the students, then you can like memorize as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If the number ends with one of these number, it's gonna be odd number. And if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that's gonna be even number. Just memorize that like that. If it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it's gonna be odd. If it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it's gonna be even number. Just memorize it like that. So let's try number 8. It ends with 5, right? The last number is 5. Then, which one do you think? It's odd, right? Write odd here. This is odd number. And let's try last questions. As for number 20, it's ends with 4, right? If it ends with 4, then which number is it? Even, right? Just write even here. I think everyone understands now. If it's hard, just keep practice. The practice like the best way to get learn. So let's try number 1. 8 times 5 equals 40. Let's try different questions. Let's try number 4. 8 times 6. Oh, this is 8 again. 48. Let's try number 10. 11 times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So answer is 77 for number 10. Let's try 2 more questions. Let's do number 13. 11 times 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. Answer is 66 for number 13. Let's try last questions as number 19. 2 times 10. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. So answer is 20 for number 19. Let's try last part of the lesson 31. So let's do number 1. There are a total of 17 chickens in the cup. Each have 2 legs. How many total chicken legs are there in the cup? So 17 chickens in the cup. So each have 2 legs. So just multiply 7 by 2 because each of them have 2 legs. Then I know the answer, but for the hard ones, just write the formula and do this like this. 7 times 2 equals 14. 1 times 2 equals 2, and plus 1 is 34. So 34 legs. 20 out of the 100 pencils David has are color pencils. What fraction of the pencils are color pencil? So it's 20 out of 100, right? But it said you have to simplify. So the easiest way to simplify like the numbers that end with 0, just cross out the 0. Each of the 0. Then it's 2 out of 10. And you can simplify as one more. Just divide this by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, right? And 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So 1/5 of the pencils are colored pencils. So this is the last question we're gonna do today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you guys next week and have a nice week and weekend. Please practice more questions. Thank you, guys. Have a nice week.